Hey, what's going on? So today we're going to go and really get into working with affiliates on System.io. All right. So a question came up in a Facebook group that I'm a part of yesterday, I believe. And the question was, how do I create an affiliate program for my partners for a free event that I'm running, not a paid event? Because normally when you think affiliates, you think paid events, right? And so this woman wants to use the affiliate feature in System.io to manage that and see what's going on from each one of her partners, right? Makes sense. So we're going to do a couple things in this video and walk you through how to do this. And it's going to be 5 things roughly. Okay. 1, we're going to create a tag. Okay. That way you can send out an email to those people who are your affiliates. All right. 2, and introduce them and give them their affiliate code and all that kind of stuff. So 2 is going to then be adding each of those contacts into your System.io account. All right. Then what we're going to do is obviously we need to have a page, and we're going to designate a page that they're going to drive traffic to. All right. They're going to share with their audience. Each one of those partners is going to share with their audience. Okay. So we're going to give them the page that they're going to share. 3, we're going to create an email you're going to send to the affiliates. Let them know, here's your affiliate ID. Here's the link to the page, et cetera, et cetera. All right. And then 5, I really want to walk you through what all this kind of looks like on the back end. All right. I want to show you what it looks like from their perspective. I want to show you how do you use it in System.io. All right. So long-winded introduction there. Let's go ahead and jump in and I'll show you how I do this. So I said, number 1, we want to create a tag. All right. Before we create a tag, the free version of System.io only allows you to have 1 tag. All right. So I'm using a free version right now. I don't have any tags at all. For those that are going to be using this, you're probably going to want to have a paid plan. The reason being is you might have multiple events, and you really do want to be able to tease out those people who are on your newsletter list that you're going to blast out your newsletter to, and those that are your affiliates. But that being said, let's go ahead and we're just going to create a quick tag. You go up here to the top right-hand corner and we click on the create button. And then once there, we go and we create the name. So it could be an event that you're running. So you could say event affiliate. You could just call it affiliate, right? In this case, we're going to call this web class affiliate. And you'll see why here in a minute, and we'll click on save. So next thing that we want to do is, let's just say I've got a bunch of partners. In this case, I'm only going to add 1 partner. But let's just say, hey, I want to add some partners who are going to be affiliates for my business. All right. So what you do is you go up to your contacts, go to contacts. And then in here, what you will do is you do create a contact. Okay. And then you'll add their email address, first name and last name. If you wanted to add other stuff here, you could. It needs, at the very least, it needs an email address. You've got a little asterisk letting you know. Okay. So we're going to also have a little bit of blurred out sections here just to make sure YouTube's happy. So I'm going to go ahead and type in an email address here. First name, we'll just call this John Snow. And that should work right there. We're going to go ahead and click on save. All right. So tags created. We didn't tag them. All right. If we go back into it, all right, there was a place for a tag, and you can add the tag right down here, web class affiliate, and then all the tags that you might have will be listed here. So you can either do that and save. And then I'm just going to click on save, or we'll go back to contacts. Okay. Click on contacts up here in the top left-hand corner in the breadcrumbs, if you will. And then you could click on the radio icon next to the person that you want to edit. And then right down here is, it's hidden underneath the question mark, is more actions, and then add tag. And then here, you can also add a tag that way. Okay. So you would do that manually for each of your partners. Now, let's just say that you don't want to do it manually. You don't have to. All right. So here is the page I'm going to give them, but you could create a duplicate page just like this. And you could say, registered to be an affiliate for my business. And then you would set this up to where when they click on, yes, I want to be an affiliate, they automatically get an email with all the information. All right. And they automatically are added to your contact list with the appropriate tag. So we could set that up if you wanted to. And then what you would do is you would just blow out an email to each of these folks that you want to add as an affiliate. Or just tell them, hey, by the way, go over here, mybusiness.com/affiliate or /become an affiliate. Okay. So one way is manually, which is what I just showed you. Another way would be setting up a contact or an opt-in page or a sign-up page for your affiliate program, right? So let's go on back here to our contacts. Now that we have, let's just say we've added all of the partners that we want to add, and they all have the web class affiliate tag. Now what you want to do is you want to go and you want to create an actual email. Now, System.io support, they had a really helpful template in their help files that you can go and use. But I also have a template. Let's go ahead and go over to our emails. We're going to go to newsletters. Then we're going to go and we're going to do a create. And the subject will be your new affiliate ID and details. Sender name, Sean. And I'm going to say the Tech Gremlin Warrior. Okay. And then I'm going to use just a classic editor. And I'm going to click on save. Okay. Now I'm going to click into this because I now need to go and edit that email. And I'm going to paste in, actually I'm going to paste in with plain text. And I don't like the default text here. So I'm going to go over to our font family icon here. And I'm going to go to Verdana. Okay, and clean this up a little bit. And put some breathing space in here between some of this. Okay. Probably shouldn't have pasted it in with plain text, but that's okay. I'm happy with that. All right. So what we have going on here, if you're new to System.io and new to developing, setting up emails in the newsletter and campaigns, what we've got here, this is a substitution variable, all right, or a substitute variable, they're called. All right, so what this is doing is it's going to grab their first name, and I just ran ahead and threw it in again just because. I oftentimes will go ahead and use the drop down. Main reason being, I want to make sure that everything goes through properly, and there's always a chance I can make a typo. If I use the drop down here and insert it from here, it's going to not have any typos. Even in the help files, what they did in the help files, they've got it like this with an actual space. They don't have the underscore in their help files when you look at it. There was a typo. All right. So let's make sure that we use the actual drop down for the substitute variables. So that's going to grab the first name that's from the contact list. Okay. Now the other thing that's going to do here, and again, I'm going to take this out right here. It's going to grab that person's affiliate ID. Anybody who's a contact in your System.io account automatically gets an affiliate ID. So you can use the substitute variable and you can grab their affiliate ID, which there it is, contacts affiliate ID. All right, boom. And then just letting them know, hey, this is what the ID is going to be. And again, we're going to send this to a test. We're going to go through the page, and we're going to actually go through and show you what this looks like and show you what an actual person's going to receive. All right. Because right now they're just looking at this going, what is this going to look like, right? Test, test, test. Always want to be testing stuff. So next thing is each person that's an affiliate, if they're making money, they want to see, hey, how much money am I making right now? What's my balance? And that's where they go for the affiliate dashboard. In this case, this is for promoting a free event, so they won't necessarily need the affiliate dashboard, but I want to put this and include this in the video because I also want to show you what that dashboard looks like. All right. Little things that I think are going to be really, really important when you're figuring all this out. Okay. So, and here's the link for the affiliate dashboard. Again, I'm going to pull this out. Actually, I'm going to go up here and leave that there. And I'm going to pull in the affiliate dashboard right here. URL of contacts affiliate dashboard, very last one, boom. And again, I just want to make sure that I'm not getting any typos at all. So if I use the drop down, I'm grabbing that substitute variable properly. All right. So here's where I give a little bit more context on what they're going to expect because it's kind of confusing. Okay. You won't know this until you actually get the email. And you can also, you can actually highlight this link here. You can take this right here and copy it like this. And you can do your affiliate dashboard here. You can do either or. And then what we're going to do is we're going to link this text and you can do this. And that also will go to their affiliate dashboard, which is kind of cool. We'll play with that when we get the email. So what I've got here, let me blow this up. Please note, we use System.io as our platform for websites, courses, memberships, and managing emails to our community. When you click the link to your affiliate dashboard, you're going to automatically be logged into System.io and provided with a free System.io account. Okay. When they go to Tech Gremlin Warrior and they're signing up as an affiliate for Tech Gremlin Warrior and they click on the link, I don't know about you, but I'd be expecting to land on Tech Gremlin Warrior's website. And so I don't know System.io at all, right? I got no idea what System.io is. I'm just somebody that's a partner, your partner, and wanting to help you out. All right. So you need to make sure that you make things clear so they're not confused and scratching their head when they click on that link and they land on System.io. They're going to be like, why am I landing here? So that's why I make it very clear in the email here that you're going to the affiliate link's going to open up in the System.io. Okay. So that's what I've done there. We're going to bold this. We're going to bold some of this other stuff. Bold. And then bold that. Sure, we'll bold this. Kind of clean this up here. And then all this we're going to bold. All right. And this is just me being what I'm looking for. A little bit more OCD. Want to just kind of get things dialed in here. Make it a little bit more readable. Okay. All right. So new to System.io. Because I said there's some confusion, what I would also do, and this is just part of my stuff, I like to just create little videos to show them, here's what to expect. Here's what this is going to look like when you log in. All right. And so this would be part of my email as well. Okay. Walking them through kind of like what I'm doing here, only much, much shorter, what it's going to look like when they log into their dashboard. All right. And then right here, we have the techgremlinwarrior.com web design class. This is the page that we want to promote. This is the page that we want each of our partners to promote. Again, they're not going to get any money for it, so we're not going to tie them into any kind of an order checkout, but we still want to be able to see who's directing traffic and having people sign up on this page. So here's the page right here. We're going to copy that address. We're going to go back to our newsletter, and right in here, we're going to paste that in. Okay. And then again, right after the actual address for the page that you're going to want them to be promoting, you put a question mark and then SA equals. And again, I'm going to take this completely out and I'm going to do substitute variable and then contacts affiliate ID. Okay. Now we're set. All right. So there's my email. Now I want to send it to the people that we set that tag for. That's why we set up that tag. That's one of the reasons anyway, that we set that tag. All right. So we're going to send it to include these tags, the web class affiliate. Okay. And then we're good there. We're good there. I could save a draft if I wanted to. I could send a test if I wanted to. We're just going to do save and send. Okay. Confirm. And it's already been sent. And we got all these little things coming up here letting us know. All right. So I'm going to go over here to my email and it's already come through. Okay. And this is what your affiliates will see. Okay. Here is what they receive. All right. So here's the email. All right. So right here, hello, John. Okay. It's pulling the first name. Okay. We set this to go to John Snow, pulled in his first name. Thank you for signing up for your business, blah, blah, blah. Right. You put your business name here and right here, your affiliate ID is. And this is all just made up, but this is exactly what the affiliate ID would look like. All right. I tweaked this so that, again, for YouTube's purposes, it doesn't get all worried about us sharing stuff and need to be blurred out. And then here, like I said, see what I'm saying here? Look at this address. The address is system.io, right? And again, they're not going to know what system.io is. They're your partner for Tech Gremlin Warrior or whatever your business is. So that's why right after that, I talk about what is system.io. All right. So I want to make sure I clear up any confusion that they might encounter when they see this or when they go to log in. All right. So again, here's where I'd put the video. And then here, right here is that link. And there is, again, the affiliate ID for the link. Okay. So what does all this mean? Okay. How does that work? I'm going to show you. Okay. So I'm going to copy the dashboard here, or I'm going to copy that link to the dashboard in the email. And I'm going to open it up. Okay. And this is what they run into. Okay. Again, not a terrible thing because I've explained it. System.io, what is this? Okay, it's asking me to set a password. Okay. Okay, we're going to paste our password in and we're going to click on create account. All right, so when they log into their dashboard, this is where it could get confusing for them. It's in euros. But once things start coming in, it should switch to US dollar. Keyword being should. If it doesn't, this is where you're going to want to reach out to system.io support and figure out why. All right. So this is what it looks like for each of your partners who are affiliates. All right. So let's minimize this. Okay. So in the email that we send, it's going to have a link with their affiliate ID. All right. When they land on it, they're going to go to this page. The person's going to enter in their first name. Okay, this is just me. John Snow, your affiliate, your partner, shared his affiliate link with me, Sean Elliott. Whoop. Hit tab and tabbed away. Okay, I'm going to pop in my email address. And I'm going to go ahead and say, yes, sign me up for the class. And again, I'm signing up through John Snow's affiliate link. And I get a thank you page. I like to have little videos on my thank you page that also kind of walk through what to expect. You don't necessarily have to, but that's what this is here. This is just a template video that's for system.io. My actual thank you video is not here right now, but this is where I would add my thank you video. Okay. So now we're all set, right? John Snow referred me to using his link to the event, right? And it's a free event. So now what do you do as the business owner to track this stuff? So let's go ahead and move this over and out of the way. We'll go back to our system.io website, our account. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go over to contacts. Now we should see a new contact. And refresh it. And there it is. Now, let's just say you've got hundreds of contacts and you want to know which contacts are being referred by which partner. And here's how to do that. over here in the filters, you scroll all the way down and you have this last option is referred by affiliate. Check that. Now, if you scroll down, you have this option for enter affiliate ID or email. So you would go and you would copy your affiliate's, your partner's email and pop it into here. And there it goes. Everybody that signed up through that partner's affiliate ID would show up right here, right? Now, here's kind of cool. If you click into it, look at that, affiliate. It's letting you know who the affiliate is in this contacts information. So that's how you would set up your affiliate program. That's how you would tie it to a specific page for your event. And that's how you would kind of get an idea of where are all of the contacts coming from? Who are they being referred to by? All right. So there you go. Hopefully this was helpful. If you're enjoying these videos and want to watch more System.io videos, we have a whole playlist. Go check it out. Thank you for watching.